Get ready to unfold the future with Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 6. Join us as we delve into the latest rumors and anticipated features. From a larger screen size to potential dust resistance and an integrated S Pen, discover how the Z Fold 6 is set to revolutionize the foldable phone experience. Don't miss out on this exclusive preview of the future of Samsung Galaxy. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 was released in August, and rumors are already circulating about its successor. Here's the latest information on the Z Fold 6. Expected release date of Z Fold 6 Z Fold phones are typically launched in the late summer. Samsung usually unveils them in July, and they hit the market in August. We anticipate this trend to continue. Galaxy Z Fold 6 price predictions. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is priced at $1,800 for a model with 256 GB of memory. If Samsung retains this option, we predict the Z Fold 6 to start at the same price, with the Fold 5 likely receiving a price reduction. Models with more storage will be priced higher. Depending on the features, the price could increase, but $1,800 is the minimum we expect. Pre-order details. Samsung will announce pre-orders once the Z Fold 6 is officially launched. Check back here for more information when it becomes available. Galaxy Z Fold 6 specs and features. At this point, all we have are rumors. The Z Fold 5 wasn't significantly different from its predecessor, but Samsung is reportedly planning some changes for the 6. The most substantial update may be related to the form factor, including the screen size. Renowned leaker Revegnus on X, formerly Twitter, suggests that the display will be larger, while the phone's overall weight will decrease. A minor, but welcome addition to Samsung's foldable offerings may appear in the Fold 6, dust resistance. Android Authority quotes the company's head of mobile, TM Rowe, via machine translation. "We are well aware of consumer demand for dust proofing, and we are making various efforts to achieve this, but due to the nature of foldables, there are many moving parts, so dust proofing is difficult." While this is far from a confirmation, it's a popular request that the company is definitely working on. Some elements will likely remain the same. Revegnus says that the Z Fold 5's camera is sticking around for the time being, with new hardware waiting for the Fold 7. In this case, here are the specs for the Fold 6's rear sensors. We don't know if the front cameras will get an update, but rumors say no. 50MP wide 12MP ultra-wide 10MP telephoto with 3x optical zoom 30x space zoom. Like dust resistance, another nice-to-have option that could come with the Fold 6, or not, is an integrated S Pen. Adding a stylus to a phone comes with several design concessions. For example, it puts a hard limit on how thin the device can be, and it can reduce battery life because you have to charge both the phone and the S Pen. Samsung isn't ruling out a built-in stylus, but the company reportedly hasn't figured out a way to make it work yet. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative and enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up and share it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications on our future content. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, take care.